Hello, my name is Fajar. I would like to share the experience factory tour in ARM manufacture with the Infinix and Infinix community as experts. I go to ARM manufacture last month. First, I would like to introduce the Infinix. The Infinix is brand technology based on production in Indonesia. Infinix have a product like smartphone, laptop, and accessories. And then Infinix community as expert is community fans from brand Infinix. The next, I would like to introduce the ARM manufacturer in short. ARM stand for Adi Reka Mandiri, located in Delta Silicon 6, Central Cikarang, Bekasi Regency, West Java. ARM more than 10 years deliver component, parts, assemble for customer electronic device and multimedia peripheral. ARM manufacture has several line production. On this occasion, I visited in the land production for Infinix brand. Before entering the land production, we met in meeting room for introduction around 1 hour with Miss Diana as a PR in ARM manufacturer. After that, we go to locker room to use special cloth for standard safety, and then check in the metal detector before entering the land production. In land production, we can see how to make smartphone, especially for brand Infinix, and the type of smartphone is Infinix Hot 50 series. First step, all of component has been arrived from the China must check to see any damage or not, and the quality control. The employee take a sample unit 10% from all unit. After that, all of components are carried out to land production. In land production, all of components assemble into smartphone. And don't forget to scan the component, scan it so as not to be mixed with other from the frame, smartphone, mainboard, camera, battery, screen, and other small component assembled into smartphone. After becoming the smartphone, employee input software for a smartphone, and then the unit smartphone must check again for the next step. If there is a fail, repair must be carried out according to the damage. If no fail issue, the unit smartphone can move to the next step. The next step, the unit smartphone will be tested for 8 hours to the test all of function smartphone. But this step just by request from brand. For the Infinix smartphone will be tested for 8 hours for better quality. Next step is packing. After the smartphone unit is finished, unit smartphone and accessories will be packed in one box. And then after package, the unit will be tested again. The employee choose random sample 10% and bring to the testing room. After all process are complete, the smartphone will be carried out to the storage warehouse. And the last, smartphone ready to deliver to consumer. That is the process make a smartphone in ARM manufacture. Thanks for watching.
salah satu yang sangat tunggu-tunggu ya, karena ini pertama kalinya X-fans dari beberapa daerah bisa kumpul di Jakarta.
Kita habis melihat pabrik Infinix langsung, kita lihat rakitannya dari awal sampai akhir, packagingnya, jadi kita tahu detail-detailnya, jadi bagus banget, dan itu pengalaman yang luar biasa bagi aku.
Infinix Community Experience.
Banyak banget informasi menarik dan juga informasi penting yang aku dapatkan dari awal sampai akhir pembuatan smartphone Infinix yang bisa secanggih itu. Ternyata tahapannya panjang banget.